Look over here. We have a Porsche Boxster.
Bro felt broke after seeing the Porsche. Lot Splendor again.
Lot Splendor ಈ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. In today's video we are with Bharat on his Himalayan and we are on a ride to Vaishali. We're gonna go have breakfast over there and then look at some bikes. Bharat was already waiting for me actually. I was quite late. We had some coffee at the meeting spot and now we are on our way to Vaishali. God damn it, had been a while. ಕತ್ತೊಳ್ಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಮಚ್ಚ. ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೋದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೆಂಡಾದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಕತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೈನೂ ನೋವ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. We just took a small break because my neck was cramped. It's feeling a bit better now. Bharat and his Himalayan. It's a bit dim today. I wish it was a bit sunny. Oh, alright. I mean, even though we are not getting the sunny view, this view is pretty good. I mean, like, you know, Ducati is not really a straight road machine. I mean, it's way faster than most bikes, and you can't catch up with the Ducati once it's gone. But the Ducati is more of a track machine than a straight road machine, not like the H2. I don't know when I'll go to the track, but I still have no experience. I don't have any track experience. So you have to go and train and then take my Ducati, see how I do on the track. There is one advantage with this misty, foggy kind of weather. It's cool, it's chill. Or else it would have been very hot. Oh, look at that, Hayabusa. ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅದು ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಹೀಟಿಗೆ ಗಮ್ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು. ರೆವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೈಕ್. ಆ ಬೈಕ್ ರೆವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅದ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂತನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡುಕಾಟಿ ರೆವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಚ್ಚ? ಅದು ಸೌಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕು. ಹಾಂ, 6R ರೆವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ 4 ಅದು. Z800. ವಾವ್, ಲುಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಖತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚ. Z800 ಅಲ್ಲ, G1000 ಅದು. ಉಯ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾನಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ರೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್, ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅದೇ ಇದು G1000. ಇದು ವಾವ್, ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಟ್ವಿನ್. ಇದು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು 35 ಅಲ್ಲ? 35. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Alright guys, we'll have some food and then I'll continue the vlog. Alright guys, we had our breakfast and look over here. We have a Porsche Boxster. It's pretty cool. Didn't expect a supercar over here actually, but here we have it. Pretty cool car, pretty cool. Oof. Convertible, compact car macha. Ah, two-seater. And we have a Honda Goldwing. This is another bike that is very big, and even this one has speakers. Remember my last vlog?
Bro felt broke after seeing the Porsche.
Oh, even this bike has speakers, man. I don't understand the point of speakers for bikes. ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ? We have a Z900. Huh? Hey, heated seater. So we have a Z900, Triumph 900, Triumph Tiger. What's it, Tiger?
900 rally ಇರಬೇಕು.
Okay. Tiger ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Triumph Tiger 900, Legend Expulse.
Pranav, we are missing you, bro.
I never met the guy yet. I still didn't meet him. We have a Triumph. And then GSA, I think. I don't know. Huh?
Lot Splendor ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Lot Splendor ಈ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, it's a multi-strada V2. That's nice. Kawasaki 1000, Ninja 1000. It's a sports tourer, I think. We have a couple of GTs, couple of OG RC390s. Pretty cool. Here we have Bharat Himalayan OG bike.
I'm gearing up.
Huh? Gearing up.
Gearing up for me takes time.
S1KRR. S1KRR. BMW. Last time ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.